to today's video, and today's video is a little bit special because I'm drinking my tea. In today's video, it's hot, we are talking about Christmas. Well, we are not really talking about Christmas, we are more talking about Lightroom mobile presets, but Christmas edition. Take your phone, follow along, we are going to create together a Lightroom presets for your Christmas pictures that are coming. And yes, it's November, there's still Thanksgiving coming, but I have seen tons of people already posting about Christmas, and you know what, this is a weird year and we need all the love and joy we can get right now. So we are talking about Christmas and we are making those presets. So let's get right into today's video. A quick disclaimer, the preset that we're going to make together now, it's free. This is just a basic kind of preset that's going to pop up red and green colors. The preset will look good on Christmas pictures, meaning pictures that involve everything Christmas, like Christmas trees, Christmas decoration and all. Obviously the preset will look more efficient, will look better, the quality of the picture is good. And obviously I am giving you a base right now, a base of a Christmas Lightroom preset, but you are totally allowed to make your own settings, turn the exposure a little bit up if your pictures is darker, or a little bit down if your picture is overexposed. That was the disclaimer. Now let's get into my iPad. You guys can take your phone or your iPad, whatever you want, and we will go and edit some pictures. Alright guys, this is the final product. So this is the before and that is the after. Before, after. Got the Christmas tree. The other pictures I used to make the preset, that's the before, that's the after. And we have another one over here, that is a picture of me. We also have this one. And so that is how it would look like on your feed with the preset we just made. Cool, right? Alright guys, you made it, you made your Lightroom mobile preset for this Christmas. If you guys are not ready for Christmas yet and you want still a kind of fall vibes on your Instagram feed, you can watch this video here because about 2 months ago I made a fall Lightroom preset for free for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, that supports me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. Next week we will make a wallpaper for Christmas for desktop, so that's going to be fun. Don't miss out on that, and until next time, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.